All right, bring in the cute. Where's the cute? Where is the cute? Oh, there's the cute. Oh my goodness, that doggy's so cute.
Previously on TWiT. MacBreak Weekly.
Everybody's trying to figure out how to survive, and Apple's decided that putting more gambling ads in the App Store is really the way to make it.
That went really bad really fast.
Mark Arment's tweet. Now my app's product page shows gambling ads, which I'm really not okay with. The App Store has corrupted such a great company so deeply. They make so much from gambling and the manipulative in-app purchases, they don't even see the problem anymore.
HandsOn Photography.
Yeah, I've been looking around at some old photographs, and apparently a lot of you too out there in the HandsOn Photography community been looking at some old photographs and been wanting to restore them. Well, that's what we're going to get into this week, doing some photo restorations. I have some tips and tricks and some options for you, and it's going to be a lot of fun.
The Tech Guy.
We've got Micah suited up now in the other studio. He's in the big room because you need a lot of room. We're going to try out this new Quest Pro. This is the $1,600 virtual reality visor that Meta sells. There you go. See if you can get that in the chimney.
This is a Oculus Quest.
For Jimmy.
TWiT.
It's not, my favorite podcasts are not quirky podcasts. They're security podcasts.
There we go. Got the security guard there.
Oh, hello, little fluff
security
one.
guard, Lily. She smells really good. Yes, you're a baby.
Yes, a sweetie. Yeah, what a
Bert
sweetheart.
does not.
She doesn't taste really good, though.
The breath. How's the breath?